Hi, my name is Belinda. I have contracted Billdr to do the work on my main floor. The main thing is to take down this wall, which is pretty well load bearing, out in the foyer. So we're gonna have like a half wall here, which will actually be a built-in bookcase, and then just some glass up here so you can get that light coming in, but still protect you from some of those elements. Putting in a new kitchen with stone and like quartz in it as a countertop with some very nice cabinet. And then fridge in here, sink will remain where it is, dishwasher here. What will go back here is the actual stove. Better cabinets, but better use of it as well, because it has the molding, but it also has the piece that kind of stops. So we definitely want to make use of space. My deal is storage. I don't have enough of it. This is my main bedroom, and this will be the guest bedroom / office. I'm actually gonna try to put some storage in the attic. So there'll be a pull down probably in the room to be able to step up to get some more storage. For the 2 bedrooms, it's really just floors, paint, insulation everywhere. These houses are not insulated. The bathroom, not a lot of work. We'll add some funky wallpaper, a new vanity, and some new hardware, and it should be pretty well done. What I'm most excited about is just for this to be done. Sitting in my house, dreaming about what it should look like, and just enjoy it for what I've dreamed about.